Mr. C, say hello, darling. Oh, hello, Miss Fudge. Mummy and Daddy are back.
CJ's been a bit bossy, has he?
Hello.
He's always a bit bossy.
Yeah, isn't he?
Hello, mate.
Miss Fudge.
Mind you, Fudge does sit in the doorway so that he can get in there sometimes.
CJ.
Look at, oh,
You're
look.
greedy, you are.
Hello.
Funny, all the cats look black and
Hello.
white with the white on one eye.
Hello. Miss
I've had that
Fudge.
come in like that.
Oh, he's going back in, look. He just don't want to come home, Mum.
Fudge.
Hello. Are you going to say hello to Mummy and Daddy? Say hello, Mummy and Daddy. Say hello, Mummy and Daddy. Yeah, I bet you don't want to come home, do you? You get spoilt when you're here, don't you? Mr. CJ! Hello, darling.
Turn his head.
Do you like your cat hotel? You love it here, don't you? Oh, here she comes. Say hello.
She's cozy now.
Yeah, look at her. She says, look at me, everyone.
Just that for Wednesday.
Oh, look. He says, any food left? Look at all your
Scratching her pose for Wednesday.
toys. Oh, yeah, she is, isn't she? Where you going? What's this?
Oh, CJ's seen
Oh.
the horse. He's watching the horse coming down.
Oh, look. Hello. No? Oh, you don't want to come home, no? Are you staying here then? Are you staying here? What's Mr. CJ doing? Oh look, he's being nosy. Mr. CJ? Are you going to give him a kiss? Are you giving him a kiss? He loves it. Look at him.
Did she let you cuddle her?
Yeah.
She won't let Joe
Only
cuddle
for a
her.
little while.
Oh no, she'll lay him arms for ages.